Weddings are a ceremony of intimacy, of coming together to celebrate love. We have some gorgeous ideas on how to make occasions special. Let's start with an unforgettable bachelorette bash. Let your heart flutter and set the scene with butterfly stickers. Liven up the scene with floral arrangements and carefully assorted bouquets. Be that creative bridesmaid and go all out with a color-coded theme. Make sure everything including your desserts are on point. Add delicate glasswares in your accent colors and make sure to stock up on the booze. Set the table with matching dinnerware with a hint of gold and keep your bride well fed for the big day ahead. For haldi, get creative with your handheld mirrors. After all, the beautiful bride will have to sneak a look at herself. Create a corner with hanging mirrors and frame them with floral arrangements. Get creative with multicolored florals and use lightweight planters to hang from atop. Use your favorite tote bag as a hanging flower vase and let it elevate your haldi corner. Candle holders are so last year. You can use your transparent stained glasswares and use them upside down for your floral tea lights instead. Have the haldi prepared in a serving bowl, and when the time is auspicious, let the colors flow. Make space for a cozy alcove with patterned and ornate velvet cushion covers and elevate your seating arrangements. For mehendi, you would want rich and intense colors to encircle the ceremony. Decorate your corner with hanging lotus decor and let the vines do their magic on the sides. Create a comfortable seating arrangement with embroidered cushion covers that truly elevate the bridal grace. And because floral arrangements never go amiss, hang flower baskets that effortlessly grace your corner. For a truly festive ambience, create a centerpiece with patterned trivets for your mehendi trays. Layer gold and transparent green vases on the sides along with some gold candle stands. Place your festive essentials like an embroidered potli bag, mehendi cones and incense on a tray and let your centerpiece come to life. When it comes to the grand entrance, you would want to go all out with candles and florals. Use colorful table mats to elevate your gates. Carefully arrange your flowers in transparent vases. Pick a combination of soft and warm florals. If you harbor a love for drama, this is your time to shine. Put your lavish candle stands to use and layer them with each other. Fill up your space with earthy pots and planters on one side and let the drama flow. Once the flowers have bloomed and the candles are up, kindle their lights and let the auspicious sounds of sehenai wash over your home.